You guys come downstairs, please. Okay.
What is it?
You bacon.
Oh. Are you having a festival of flowers?
No. Anyway, this is for you.
Oh, thank you.
From Davis.
Oh.
And this is for you. From Frankie.
And who's Frankie?
Sis, I don't know.
Is this why you called us both?
No. Why are you acting like you don't know who Frankie is?
Oh, please.
No, hold on now. You're always in a hurry. What's wrong with you?
What?
Listen.
Okay.
You need to get married. Why they hate on men? No, why they hate on men? Our parents, they need grandchildren, son-in-laws. They need people. They need to be happy. We need to make them happy. You can't marry yourself, so. And you did not like, I gave you the flower, you threw it down, you held your own like a stranger's dirty panties. You didn't even smell it.
Did you smell it?
I did.
Perfect. That is enough for all of us. Right. Thank you.
Gosh, is that why she called? I don't understand.
Keep preaching.
Hey, Melissa. Melissa.
Yeah, even dead. Did you see it?
Your Highness.
Weeder, more like.
Reader.
Yeah.
How is this thing weeded? How is it weeded? This lady is supposed to be our eldest sister, and she's got a bad mouth. Now, the last is worse. Me, I don't know where I belong.
You better come on for you. You better come on for that place.
Come. It's like you don't have respect. Open this gate or I will break it down.
You not gonna fit do anything. It is another day. Now you day outside and a day inside. Make I see your power.
Come. Are you stupid? Will you open this gate?
Okay, are you mad? I not go open the gate. If my madam come outside, if you know the inside police station, not your honor.
Open this gate now.
I not go open this gate now.
Are you stupid?
Okay, are you mad?
Sabinus, madam, who wants to pull down my gate?
Madam, Nada Kolo ya that day. They came man with pride.
Melissa, I think that Nick Compo needs to be taught a lesson he won't forget in his entire miserable life.
Open the gate.
How? Okay.
Open the gate! Why do you want to pull down my gate?
Melissa, I came for my child and my keke.
Are we still on this? What child are you talking about? And what keke? Is that why you're disturbing the peace of this neighborhood? Seems like you've lost it. You've really lost it.
Melissa, my child is in this house. Please, I beg you in the name of whatever I hold dear to. Let me have him or her.
You are crazy.
Morris, you want to have your child? That's fine. Understandable. Come inside. At least come and fraternize with your child.
Like I said, them send you from my village. Oh God. You said the thought you have for me is the thought of good but not of evil. Genesis chapter 1 verse 1. Any evil mind, Father, come against it in Jesus' name. Amen.
Sis.
Melissa! Melissa! Where you come and give me my baby?
Go inside and carry your baby. You don't even know what you're up against. Rubbish.
Melissa, just like I said earlier, I'm here for two things. One is my baby. Second is my keke. Where's my child?
No one has monopoly you of madness. If you as much as push me to the wall, I'll show you real madness.
You will do nothing. I got you pregnant before I traveled to Lagos.
What? Lagos?
Wait. Lagos? And you told all your neighbors that you went to Dubai. How shameless of you. Ha!
I'm not leaving this house until you give me my baby. Yes!
You're the biggest fool in the universe to think that I would let myself get pregnant for you. Are you crazy? Huh? Oh, let me bust your bubble. I purposely told you that I was pregnant the first time. And then you rejected it. You told me to abort it and I played along. Second time, I did the same thing and I played along. And then the third time I came to you with the same pregnancy issue. Told you I was pregnant. What did you do? You said I should abort it. Huh? And then after that, you disappeared into thin air. Ha! Oh my God. Morris, I gave you 5 years of my life. I gave you 5 years of my life! And what did you do? I cooked for you. I gave you my body. I gave you money. I set you up. I did your laundry. I sacrificed for you, Morris.
And don't forget to add the 30 million naira you gave him last.
It's true.
The cheat ran away with it.
And what did you do in return? I mean, I put myself, who I am, what I have aside just to show you pure and genuine love. What did you do? What? You betrayed me. Maurice, you betrayed me! And you left me for death! You didn't even care how I pulled through, Maurice. God. Oh, you know what? Newsflash. There were never any pregnancies. They were mere pranks. And look at you. Standing right in front of me, looking into my eyes, asking for the same pregnancies that you rejected. How shameless can you be? Well, karma never forgets. Now I want you to pick your stinky self out of my house. I give you the next 5 seconds. If you do not leave, I swear you will not like what will happen to you. Get out. I would not be blamed for what happens next. Get out! Take your stinky self out of here. Get out! Stinky, get out! Rubbish!
Can't believe you did this to me. Oh, can't believe you did this to me. I can't believe my eyes. So you can do this to me. I am so broken. My heart is bleeding. Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love? Is it a crime to give love all you have? Now I feel so stupid, I've been so foolish. Because my heart is bleeding, I can't fall in love again. Whoa, my heart is broken. Can't believe you did this to me. Yeah, my heart is bleeding. I can't fall in love again. Whoa, my heart is broken. Can't believe you did this to me.
Where this boy? Come and open this gate.
Why you go order me like that? Why you go order me like that? I don't go open any gate for you.
It's like you're mad, oh. Don't let me come down from this gate. We open this gate with this gate.
What thing you go do? Madam, come out now. What thing you go do?
Open the gate now, this boy.
Okay, I no go open gate on time. Madam gonna tell me say make I open the gate. Madam, come out now. Madam, welcome. Service. Yes, madam.
Open the gate.
Okay.
Is it a crime to fall in love? Is it a crime to give love all you have? Now I feel so stupid, I've been so foolish because my heart is bleeding. I can't fall in love again. Whoa, my heart is broken. Can't believe you did this to me. Yeah, my heart is bleeding. I can't fall in love again.
Melissa, please. There was something you said earlier that I really didn't understand clearly. These pregnancies, you've actually been, like, I need to understand it. Were they all fake?
Fake.
What?
Yeah. I've always loved Morris. I knew that he never loved me. That, whatever, is all in the past now.
I don't understand something. Like, I don't get it. A beautiful, rich lady, a 10 over 10, loves you, brings out her heart, gives it to you, worships the ground you walk on. Yet you decide to mess around, cheat, love other women. I don't understand it. Does it mean that he doesn't want to, like, be with a woman, a rich girl that loves him, that respects him, that honors him as a man, that brings out the king in him? Does it mean that he doesn't want all of that? I thought that's what men want.
I do not care. I don't care anymore. Whatever.
No, you don't care. You always do not care. You sit there and say it nonchalantly. You don't care. Melissa, how can you be so cruel? How can you be this heartless? We are sisters. Not just sisters, we're triplets. We have a bond. You could do something like this to us? When you cried, we cried. We grieved with you. We had to walk on eggshells just to make you feel comfortable. Do you know how hurt we were when you were hurting? And this pregnancy was fake? You couldn't even deem it fit to tell us? And you said nonchalantly?
It's my bad. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Enough of this, Maurice, and the whole of everything, okay? It's alright. But Melissa, we have 3 men. 3 good men. Frankie loves you. He loves everything about you. Why don't you just, give him a chance? Be everything he wants in a woman. Don't hate men. Like, try not to be scared and give this a chance. Meg, same thing I say to Melissa, I say to you. You have given Davies hair. You have said a whole lot to him. In fact, your tantrum, your temperament, it's here. Yet he keeps coming back. He keeps loving you. Keeps sending you gifts. Meg, why don't you, calm down. Be a baby. Be his baby. Love him. Because our parents, we need to make them proud. Like, they are hurting. They want to see our grandchildren. They want to see their son-in-laws. They want to see...
You know what? I need air.
Can't believe you did this to me. Oh, can't believe you did this to me. I can't believe my
You need air too.
So you can do this to me. I am so broken. My heart is bleeding. Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love? Is it a crime to give love all you have? Now I feel so stupid, I've been so foolish because my heart is bleeding. I can't fall in love again. Whoa, my heart is is broken. I can't believe you did this to me.
Hey, Greedy. I'm Davis by name. Hey, Greedy.
Fall in love again.
She just loved me.
Even when I kept shoving him away, he hasn't relented. He keeps coming back. For obvious reasons, I hated men due to what a guy did to my sister. I felt that fool got Melissa pregnant. And it turns out that it was all a lie. Oh my God. Mandy and I warned her. We warned her not to fall in love with that guy, but she didn't listen to us. We all feared she was in the wrong relationship. And now, I've hated Davis all this while. All for nothing. Nothing. This isn't fair.
Oh, can't believe you did this to me. I can't believe my eyes. So you can do this to me. I am so broken. My heart is bleeding. Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love? Is it a crime to give love all you have? Now I feel so stupid, I've been so foolish. Because my heart is bleeding, I can't fall in love again. Whoa, my heart is broken.
Oh, hi. Good morning. Please, have you seen the guy that stays in this apartment?
You mean Maurice?
Yeah, Morris.
Maurice is no longer staying in Nigeria now. He relocated to Dubai.
Sorry, what do you... I mean the guy that stays here.
I thought he's your boyfriend. You're supposed to know.
Wait, I guess you don't know the person I'm talking about. I mean,
I thought he's your
Maurice.
boyfriend. You're supposed to know. He's no longer staying in Nigeria.
where is he?
He's in Dubai right now.
God.
Are you okay?
No, I mean, how?
What happened? Is everything alright?
How? Oh my God.
But you're supposed to know now. You're supposed to know. He's your boyfriend. You're supposed to know.
No, he didn't. He's not meant to be. He's meant to be here. He didn't tell me he's going anywhere.
No, now you're supposed to know now.
I know he was really nice to me the first day he met me. But that notwithstanding, I can't see myself dating the same man that used to stay in my ex's compound. No. Yeah, I know they said he has made money and moved out, but I can't. I just can't. I mean, how? Whatever, I just can't.
Hey guys, listen up. I have a confession to make.
Confession. Go on, yes.
That girl, Mandy, I love her so much. That girl is driving me crazy. I can't even explain it.
Listen.
Mandy is a girl that I know too well. She's a very nice girl. She's the only girl I know I can vouch for her character right now. So you're good to go, man. You're good to go.
You're on the right track. Thank you. Okay, now, I want to draw something right here and right now.
Yes.
Yeah. On Saturday, I'm planning on proposing to her.
Just like that.
Nice one. Nice one.
And again, I want to say something. I want the both of you there with me on that day.
Sure. We'll definitely be there.
We are one.
I wonder.
We are one.
I believe you guys.
Okay. You, when would you propose to Melissa? Eh? Or do you want to remain a secret admirer forever?
Just calm down. Chill. I will shock both of you.
Okay. Go and marry Jare. Who you want shock?
Listen, I will surprise both of you.
Mr. Shocker.
My marriage is on the pipeline.
That is what you have been saying since. So you always have something to say when it comes to this marriage thing. Oga, when you marry?
Don't worry now. I will shock both of you. Just keep your eyes open. You will see me coming with a ring.
But Frankie, why are you being slow on this girl? If you love her, tell her your mind.
I'll get it. I'm coming. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hi. Please sit. Sit.
Thank you.
Hi. Melissa, I got you this.
Why me? Why not Mandy?
Melissa, I left the States just to be with you. And moreover, Mandy is so fond of Frankie. I see the way they talk. I see the way they bond. I feel they are meant for each other. Melissa, I've tried so hard to live my life without you being in it. I feel there's a puzzle missing in my heart. Please, Melissa, do me the honor of being my wife.
Yes, I will be your wife.
Congratulations to you guys.
Congratulations, Sissy. Congrats.
You guys will sing together.
It's good.
Mandy, you're okay with that?
Yes, I am.
In that case, congratulations.
Thank you. Congrats.
Mandy. You came into my life.
Whoa.
And gave my life a meaning. I love you with everything in me. The very day you told me about your boyfriend, that was the day I realized the quantum of love I have for you. Mandy, I have no life without you. I blame myself for not opening up my feelings to you. Mandy, the best thing that can ever happen to me is waking up in the morning, watching you beside me, having in mind that you will be the mother of my children. Mandy, please marry me.
Oh. Say yes, please. Say yes.
Yes. Wow.
Oh, it's the festival of love.
Congratulations.
Two proposals in one day. Oh, no. No way.
Meg,
Hmm?
from the first day that I saw you at the mall,
No way.
I knew you were the right person for me.
Hmm?
A tiny voice whispered to me, "This is your woman." Meg, since then I've never loved you less.
Oh dear Lord.
Meg,
Oh
please.
God.
I love you so much. Make me a complete man. I want you in my life and I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Wow.
Meg, will you marry me?
Say yes already, please. Say yes. Yes.
This is amazing. We all married? We have a wedding to plan. Yes.
This calls for a big celebration.
Yeah.
Right.
Draken, you are the new man.
Thank you.
You made all this possible. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
My man.
Yes, baby.
Yes, man. All right. No, why? I did not lose it.
Really?
Yes. You'll be my friend for now. Now my fiancé. We are getting married.
Yeah, we are. You see, I don't know. God is in this. I keep saying it. God's hand is in this. Because how was I going to tell Dr. Joaquin that I'm in love with you? It really disturbed me. Oh. But here you are now. You're mine. Imagine getting married to a man that was meant for my sister.
What Joaquin did yesterday increased my respect for him.
Oh.
Yes. He's the real man.
Oh, wow.
He took both steps. I love it. Cheers, baby.
Beautiful.
I love you with everything.
And I love you more. I love you so much. Oh, what is it? I don't get. Why did I forget?
Forget what?
I mean, I haven't even told Mom the good news.
So what are you waiting for?
I'm on it, baby. Hello, Mommy. Good evening, Ma. Mommy, I have a wonderful, amazing good news to give to you. Mommy, you know Dr. Joaquin, right? He proposed to Melissa and she said yes! Mommy, you know there is, Joaquin and we're never meant to be together now, eh? Listen, I have my own man now. You remember Frankie and Davis? Yes! Mommy, Dr. Joaquin proposed to Melissa, Frankie proposed to me, and Davis proposed to Meg. And we all said yes! The thing is, the sitting room yesterday, it was just filled with joy, happiness, and every other thing. I wish you were there, Mommy. I really wish you were there. Okay, Mommy, listen, I'm going to talk to you later, okay? So for now, take care of yourself and bye-bye.
Bye, Mom.
She's already asking me.
This sweet like sugar. If you find your true love, the one meant for you. You go see, say love too sweet, oh. Love is a beautiful thing. Your heart's got the play calypso. Everything's so colorful and everything's so beautiful. Just find the one who will take care of your heart, and everything is okay. Oh yeah. Love too sweet, oh. They're sweet like sugar, but you need someone who go love you plenty. Tinini, 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 na so you dey sweet, oh. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Tell me if love is not beautiful. Oh yeah, that thing they sweet like sugar. Oh yeah. If you find your true love, the one meant for you, you go see, say love too sweet, oh. Oh yeah. Tell me if love is not beautiful. Oh yeah. That thing they sweet like sugar. Oh yeah. If you find your true love, the one meant for you, you go see, say love too sweet, oh. Oh yeah. Love is a beautiful thing. Your heart's got the play calypso. Everything's so colorful and everything's so beautiful. Just find the one who will take care of your heart, and everything is okay.
Babe!
Yes, darling. Come in.
What are you doing in the kitchen?
I'm making us lunch.
Lunch?
Mm-hmm.
That sounds strange. I didn't know that despite being a career and independent woman would allow you make food or cook rather.
Why is that? I mean, what's wrong with it? I'm a true African woman, right? And as such, I should know how to cook.
Not a woman of your class and caliber or something.
No, that doesn't mean anything. All I want you to do right now is sit right there and wait for the food to be ready, then you give me your score. How about that?
Alright. Take your time.
Be right back.
That thing they sweet like sugar. If you find your true love, the one meant for you, you go see, say love too sweet.
Welcome to my room. Come on. Sit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just find the one who will take care of your heart, and everything is okay. Love too sweet, oh. They're sweet like sugar, but you need someone.
Okay, Frankie, please, don't tell me you brought me into your room just to stand there and look at me.
Yes, I can't stop admiring your beauty. Yes, I can't stop. You're so beautiful.
Please, say that again. What did you say?
I said you're a laborious damsel, an epitome of beauty.
I didn't hear. I am?
Yes, baby.
Pick me on my forehead.
Come on. Can't you see you're taller than me?
Okay, what's wrong with you? Can't you just do like this and okay, fine.
Alright, I'll do it.
Let's do it properly.
Okay. Alright, my baby.
Just find the love too sweet, oh. They're sweet like sugar, but you need someone who go love you plenty. Tinini, 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 na so you dey sweet, oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Tell me if love is not beautiful. Oh yeah. That thing they sweet like sugar. If you find your true love, the one meant for you.
You like it?
Mm. Babe, it tastes so nice.
Told you. Thank you.
Should I tell you a secret?
What?
I normally fly all the way from the States to come to Nigeria to have a taste of my mom's food.
You don't say. Like all the way to Nigeria? Just for food? That's something
Babe,
serious.
You would have seen me then. I was looking
well fed.
I can imagine.
And guess what?
Uh-huh.
It was one of those visits. She showed me your picture.
Really?
Yes. And ever since then, I was so carried away. Like, I admire your pictures so well. You were looking so beautiful and adorable. Then and there, I knew I found myself a wife.
Tell me, did you ever sleep with Mandy?
No. Why would you say that? Even when I was with her, I was thinking about you. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Do you believe me?
Babe,
Yes.
are you okay?
Uh-huh.
You're shy? Come on, come to me, okay?
I can't.
Baby, come on, come to me.
Okay.
Come on, okay? Come to me. Please. Don't be shy, okay? That's my baby. Come on. Babe, why didn't you tell me you were still a virgin? Come on. I enjoyed every bit of it.
Thank you.
Babe, hope you're passing the night here with me.
I hope you're not going to get angry if I object.
No. All I want is to sleep in each other's arms.
Baby, I have work tomorrow. And it's by 8 a.m. I have to leave.
Right. Promise me you are spending the weekend with me.
I'll really be busy during the weekend.
Come on, baby.
Okay, fine. Don't squeeze your face. What's wrong with you? I will. I'll be here.
Alright, my baby. That's my baby. Thank you. I love you.
Love you too. Thank
If
you.
you find your true love, the one meant for you, you go see say love too sweet, oh. Love is a beautiful thing. Your heart's got the play calypso. Everything's so colorful and everything's so beautiful. Just find the one who will take care of your heart.
Wakey, wakey. Wake up, baby. It's morning already. Wake up, baby. It's morning already.
Good morning, darling.
Good morning, my love. How was your night?
Awesome. Because you made it worth my while.
I'm glad I made your night. You know you're so special to me, right? I prepared breakfast for you.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Yes, my love. You need to eat so you can go shower from work.
Oh,
relax.
this is so nice. Oh,
I love you so much.
I love you more.
Alright. I need to go iron your clothes, okay? You need to... What is it, babe? Are you okay?
Is it hot?
Oh, yeah, a bit hot. But it's fine. Don't
Sorry,
worry.
babe,
It's
should I
okay.
get you cold
No,
water?
no, it's okay. It's okay.
You're
Thank
sure
you.
you're fine?
Yeah, fine. Thank you.
Alright. Let me go fix your clothes, okay? I need to iron them now. I'll be right back shortly.
I'm getting a 5-star treatment.
Alright. Coming back shortly. Make sure you finish your food.
I will. Oh, this black is pretty already. I mean, okay, now he's a typical man. He did good. But this, oh well.
If you find your true love, no one meant for you. You go see, say love too sweet.
Who said that?
Tell me if love
Baby!
is beautiful. That thing they sweet like sugar. If you find your true love.
You look at this. Are you sure it's properly handled? This was edited, but not edited properly.
Oh my god, I thought she corrected it.
She did now, but same mistake.
Yeah, I can see it. I can see it. She has to. She'll work with this one.
Yes, we're supposed to work with this one, but we asked her to edit it, and then she edited it mid.
Yeah,
I don't know. She's
okay.
I understand.
Yeah, I get you.
Good morning, sis.
Good morning, sis. You're 10 minutes late.
I know, but I was slept.
You slept over at his place? You did?
Babes, Davis, he's such a sweet guy.
Okay, hey, remember this is an office space, alright?
I know. Sis, can you believe Davis made me breakfast in bed this morning? He also ironed my outfit. I never knew this is what I've been missing all along.
Okay, enough about Davis. We need to really work on this if you don't mind. Here. Okay. Here. Go through it. Actually, the both of them.
I worked on this yesterday before leaving the office.
But not properly. So, you have to draft an email using this one, send it to Mr. Clark before 2 p.m., please.
Aye, Captain. I'll be in my office.
Thank you.
Joy killer. Come on.
Yeah, we'll help you. Hold on.
You're such a joy killer.
I'll be in my office.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Sis, you need to see this girl. She's so pretty. And to crown it all, sis, she's a very brilliant girl. Yes, so sis, did I tell you she's a triplet? Hey, 3 beautiful girls. Sis, your brother catch this one well. Yes, now. Sis, I am so lucky. Sis, you don't know how lucky I am. See, do you know the good thing about these girls? They do things together. Like there is unity in that family. Of course. No. How about sis now? Why are you talking like this now? And since I'm surprised you are saying all this thing. And since you know what I passed through. Huh? See, you shouldn't be saying this thing now. Eh? This girl that disappeared on our wedding day. Eh? Imagine. Eh? No, sis, I beg. I'm really surprised you're saying this thing. Sis, she's in my past, please. Don't bring my past to my future. Sis, I don't want to have anything to do with that girl. I don't even want to hear her name again, sis. See, this is someone I trained in universities. No, now, you can't be saying this thing now. Yes. No, I don't think she deserves to know, sis. That's not important, please, I beg. I can't tell her such. No, see, there's no need. That's my past. I can't bring it back again. See, listen, Six, I want to focus on my new girl now. I want to spend my life with her, and that's all, please. Alright. Well, please, I don't want to talk about this again, sis. Please, I'm not really happy. You've spoiled my mood. I was telling you about someone I love, and you're there bringing my past. It doesn't make sense at all. Alright, sis. No problem. Alright.
Sis, I thought you went to Davy's house.
He's married.
Are you being serious right now?
I've never been more serious in my life. I overheard his conversation with his elder sister on the phone. I eavesdropped on that. And she even told him to tell me about his ex. But he opined that it was pointless. Can you imagine?
Ex. And he's married. I don't understand. Why are you speaking from the both side of your mouth?
That's because she didn't show up on their wedding day.
Okay, but he should have told you.
My point exactly. He should have told me, but he did not. Men and keeping secrets are like 5 and 6. Why didn't he tell me? He decided to keep it a secret from me. You know what? I am done.
No. You're not done. Stop.
I am done, Mandy. Davis and I are over.
Stop lamenting. It's okay. But you're not married.
Do I look naive to you? Do I look like a fool? No white wedding can happen without dowry payment, wine carrying, a traditional marriage. I'm not a fool, sis.
It's okay.
It's over.
I'm sorry.
I cannot play second fiddle in any man's life. This is it for me.
It's okay.
What is going on? My baby's supposed to be here. What's happening? She told me she would come immediately she goes from work.
The worst part of it is, I've already slept with him.
No. You don't need to say that. Stop lamenting, okay?
That's the reason why I don't give my heart out. Men, they just use you, then gaslight you. They shove you away. They break your heart. That's why I didn't want to be with anyone. I didn't want my heart broken.
She's not here. Oh God, let me just try calling her again.
You know what? I'm gonna cry over it.
No. You need pick it.
I don't want to talk to him.
Listen to me, Meg. If you don't pick this call, it smells of immaturity. That's what it tells. So you need to make him understand that you're mature. Pick the call, listen to him, hear what he has to say. Maybe he has a reason for not telling you. You don't know.
Mandy, I am being matured right now. And that's why I am not crying. I do not want to hear his story.
You will not pick it. You're not picking the call.
Babe, pick the damn call. What's going on?
It's okay. You still need to be a baby. You're the last time. It's okay. It's okay. I'm here. It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay.
What is going on? Is she alright? Oh God, what is happening? Let me just try. Call her again. Babe, pick this call. Pick this damn call, babe. Fuck! What is happening?
I can't believe my eyes. So you can do this to me. I am so broken. My heart is bleeding. Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love? Is it a crime to give love all you have? Now I feel so stupid. I've been so foolish because my heart is bleeding. I can't fall in love again. Whoa, my heart is broken. I can't believe you did this to me.
Meg. See, I really don't like what you're doing now. Why don't you just hear him out? Listen to what he has to say to you.
I don't want to talk to him. I don't want to hear anything he has to say.
You don't want to hear him out?
No, I don't. Please.
Are you really sure you don't want to hear him out?
Mandy, I don't!
It's fine. It's okay. Suit yourself then.
Mandy, leave me alone.
Meg.
Leave me alone!
Meg.
Hi, Meg.
What are you doing here? Leave this place now. Leave this place now.
You haven't been taking my calls.
Get out of this place. Go be with your wife, okay?
Wife? Wife? What wife are you talking about?
Davis, you think I'm stupid? I overheard you. You were having a phone conversation with your elder sister, and you specifically told her that you did not want to tell me about your ex-wife.
Yes, Davis. You actually did not try. You don't try at all. You would have just told her now.
Meg, I left Lagos because of what my ex did to me on our wedding day.
Oh, story.
I couldn't bear the shame. That was why I left Lagos.
So, what exactly happened?
She stood me up on our wedding day. And she never showed up. Friends, family, everyone were waiting for her. Only to find out that she eloped with her secret boyfriend. The same person she told me was her cousin. Meg, I've been through a lot. I trained her through the university. I did everything a man will do for a lady he loves. After NYC, we had plans of getting married. But what happened? She shocked me on our wedding day. Meg, I'm so heartbroken. I'm in pains. Friends, family, everyone call me stupid for my actions. The only crime I committed was to love unconditionally. Meg, it is obvious that love is not for me. And if you leave me today, I will die, Meg, because there is nothing I'm living on this earth for. Meg, I love you so much. But I can't force it. It is obvious that marriage is not for me. Mandy, thank you very much, okay? I really do appreciate you. Bye, Meg.
Meg! Don't leave. I love you too.
You don't know how important you are to me. I promise you, I will make your happiness my priority. Meg.
I'm not leaving.
Sure you're not leaving?
I'm here to stay.
Meg. I thought I've lost you.
You're silly.
Yes, no problem.
We're coming back.
Oh, Faye.
Yes, love.
Where's your car? Oh, you didn't come with your car?
Oh, it's parked outside, babe.
Oh, okay.
Let's go. My love.
Please open the gate.
Saminus, my guy.
My man. Madam, you won't come. Open the gate. My man.
Ayana, let's go now.
Everything's so colorful and everything's so beautiful. Just find the one who will take care of your heart, and everything is okay. Oh yeah. Love too sweet, oh, they're sweet like sugar, but you need someone who go love you plenty.
So, now because of my mother, make him carry flower come that day. I don't tell you, but make you also bring flower for me, no great. I don't come back everybody. No. I will carry one of them. Uroigbo, why you dey do me like this now? I tell you, say make you send flower, come give me. Say it very important, you come the delay. We build my flower, no the dog. We build my flower. I want to make it natural. Okay, thank you. Hey, now who I go carry now? Is it Mandy or Auntie Melissa? But the two of them no be my spec. I like it big. Now this man don't go carry my spec now, come on. I go do now. As long as say na still them, I go manage them, get good hearts. I go show them, say, I like it natural. I go bring a dama, I go bring a ditan.
Tell me if love is not beautiful. That thing they sweet like sugar.
Those stairs. What's up?
You know, I can't stop staring at you. And how lucky I am to have you in my life. He takes away the first to establish the second.
What does that mean? I'm confused.
You know, I've been through a lot in this past years of my life. God revealed to me in the scripture saying that I, God, will take away the first and bring back the second that is better for you. And that is you in my life.
Wow. That's beautiful.
You know, it's so disgusting Each time I reminisce of what Imelda did to me and everything that I've passed through, I'm sure I came to this city because of you. I heard audibly his voice saying, move to this city. This is your divine city where you find happiness. And then I contacted this agent who showed me some houses. And then I just chose and moved in immediately.
Oh, I thought you built it.
No, I actually bought it from this real estate agent. And then everything, I just moved on immediately. I knew my destiny was here. And I'm happy to have you in my life. I promise you, you won't regret this decision you've made. I'll make you the happiest lady on earth.
What's that? Why did you have to exhale like that?
Make you stress the hell out of me. God, hey, what kind of girl is this? Like, the abuses and everything. I say, you see this baby, I will not give up. It's either I get Meg or I will go back to my village.
Really?
Meg, I can't give up on you. I love you so much.
I love you too.
Oh, God, I'm so happy to have you in my life.
Let's go. Else Mandy will come out with a stick.
Okay, I'll be fine.
Sweet like sugar. If you find your true love, the one meant for you, you go see say love too sweet too. Love is a beautiful thing. Your heart's got to play calypso. Everything's so colorful and everything's so beautiful. Just find the one who will take care of your heart, and everything is okay. Love too sweet, oh, they sweet like sugar, but you need someone who go love you plenty. Tinini, 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 na so you dey sweet, oh, yeah. Tell me if love is not beautiful. That thing they sweet like sugar. If you find your true love, the one meant for you go see say love too sweet too. Tell me if love is not beautiful. That thing they sweet like sugar. If you find your true love, the one meant for you go see say love too sweet too.
Bye, darling. Bye.
Alright.
Bye. So you go. Run
I'll
along.
watch you enter the house.
So colorful and everything so beautiful. Just find the one who will take care of your heart, and everything is okay. Love too sweet, oh, they sweet like sugar, but you need someone who will love you plenty. Tinini, 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 na so you dey sweet, oh, yeah. Tell me if love is not beautiful.
Wait, did he just kiss my Melissa? Could he be his new boyfriend or what? I mixed up big time. See, guy, see how this guy is kissing my woman right before me. God, they said diamonds are forever, please. I want to have Melissa forever. What will I do now? Hi!
What is wrong with you? Huh? Morris, have you lost it? Why? You want to die by my car? What is it? What do you want? I've given you your keke, right? I've released it, so why are you still hounding me? You're hunting me. What is it?
Melissa, please. I'm sorry about the stunt I put in your compound. I did it to get your attention, but now I know better. Please, forgive me. Ever since I walked away, I haven't been myself.
You are blabbing. I hope you know that, right? The last I checked, you ended us. So, what do you want?
I was stupid. I was being irrational. I was paranoid, but now, like I said, I know better. Please forgive me. Give us this chance so that we can actually continue from where we stopped.
There can never be us. Never ever. Not now, not ever. Not after you left me. You left me drowned. I drowned myself in emotional terror. I was haunted. I cried so much. Severally, I contemplated suicide. Like, I don't even want to start going around and talking about the experiences, the traumatic experiences I had to go through all because of you. So please, just let it go. Leave me.
Melissa, I will just end it. I will just die.
Then die. Die because I died 1,000,000 times over when you left me.
Melissa, please.
This is over, as you can see. I'm taken. Now I have a man who genuinely loves me and we're about to get married, so just get out.
Melissa, please. All I'm asking is that you give me a chance to prove to you how much I really do love you.
It is over between us.
Give me a second chance, Melissa, please.
I'm sorry you lost that chance. You blew it up yourself. No, I don't want you locking around my place. Because if my fiancé sees this, he will not be happy with you. He'll deal with you sternly. Don't you ever try this again.
Please, you're all that I have.
No,
I will die.
you have God. Run to him and cry.
Melissa, please don't do this to me. Melissa, I know that I love you. Melissa.
Don't you dare. Don't you dare come to me.
Get out!
But if you want die, go to your other side. That is the reward of being pride.
Can't believe you did this to me. Oh, can't believe you did this to me. I can't believe my eyes. So you can do this to me. I am so broken. My heart is bleeding. Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love? Is it a crime to give love all you have? Now I feel so stupid. I've been so foolish because my heart is bleeding. I can't fall in love again. Whoa, my heart is broken. Can't believe you did this to me. Yeah, my heart is bleeding. I can't fall in love again. Whoa, my heart is broken. Can't believe you did this to me. Yeah, can't believe you did this to me. Oh, can't believe you did this to me.